Celestron has added a brand new member to the StarSense Explorer range of telescopes. These new telescopes come in the form of 8-inch and 10-inch Dobsonians. The StarSense Explorer range has brought new technology within the reach of those of us who have limited knowledge of using computerized telescopes. These telescopes can be classified as a hybrid kind, bridging the gap between a manual and a computerized system. A common question customers sometimes ask me is,
I don't know anything about the night sky, what to look for.
My answer is, well, with the StarSense Explorer Dobsonians, use a specialized app on the phone to help you guide you in locating objects in the night sky in a very easy and educational way. Simply place your smartphone in the cradle that sits on top of the telescope. The cradle has a mirror placed in position that allows light from the objects in the sky into the camera sensor on your phone. And by using the StarSense Explorer app, it will plate solve and allow you to find objects in the sky with relative ease. Hi, it's Gerald from Optics Central with you once again. Dobsonians are one of those telescopes that we all love and tend to gravitate to for visual use. They are very well known for their ease of use and their focal length and their apertures, making them ideal for lunar, planetary, and deep sky viewing. So today I will be unboxing the StarSense 8-inch Dobsonian. By the way, it also comes in a 10-inch version as well. The StarSense Explorer comes in 2 boxes. The first box has a Dobsonian stand, eyepieces, and the various accessories in there as well. The other box contains the large optical tube. Now, the estimated time is to set this up is between 20 to 30 minutes. I'll fast forward this part of the video and you can watch me set up the base like a character out of the Benny Hill TV skit. Right, so I'm about to do the unboxing. Let's see. It's a big box actually, so let's... They would be the eyepieces. This is the base. So we'll see what we've got in the base. I do like unboxing though. To assemble this. So I've also got another box. So the other box has got your eyepiece. It's got the red dot finder, an extender, a couple of knobs for the side, and the all-important piece which comes in a bag. It's the cradle that sits on top of the telescopes. It's handy having this handle here. Then we get these. So that's in place you hear it snap. Now that we have assembled the telescope, we need to do the following. Number 1, aligning the red dot finder. During the day, I suggest you calibrate the red dot finder with the telescope. What you will need to do is locate a distant object like a power pole, which is ideal. Don't aim for a tree, as the breeze will move your point that you're trying to focus in around a bit, making it difficult to calibrate. So in this case that I'm showing you at the moment, I'm aiming for a communications dish upon the middle of the tower. I will focus on the middle of the dish with the telescope, making sure it is in the middle of the eyepiece. Adjust the eyepiece so that the dish is right in the middle. Now lock the telescope by turning these knobs. Now with the red dot finder, turn it on and adjust the red dot finder using these screws. Once the red dot finder matches with what you see through the main telescope, then you calibrate it. You're good enough to go to take it outside, because what you'll find is the finder's got a wider field of view. It's just going to make things a lot easier for you to locate, whereas the telescope itself is going to have a much more narrow field of view. Next thing we need to do is download the StarSense Explorer app from the Apple or Google stores. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and you'll be prompted to enter a code. You'll find the code comes with the telescope. It's actually in the book. Enter the code and your app is now fully functional. Number 3, using your telescope. Now I'm going to take this telescope outside, weather permitting, and put it to the test and see what we can find. Specifications of the 8-inch StarSense Explorer Dobsonian telescope as follows. The focal length is 1200 millimeters. The focal ratio is f5.9. The highest useful magnification is 480 times. The lowest useful magnification is 29 times. It comes with a 25 millimeter plus eyepiece, quite a good quality. The star magnitude, with this Dob, you can get up to 14.2 magnification. The focuser is a 2-inch Crayford focuser, including a 2-inch extension tube and a 2-inch to 1.25-inch adapter. The telescope and stand, though, combined weight is at 19.7 kilograms, just shy of 20 kilograms. Now, for those who are after the 10-inch Dobsonian, it's basically the same telescope, except it's a lot bigger. The following length is 1200 millimeters, just like the 8-inch. The focal length is, in this case now, it's f4.7. The highest useful magnification is 600 times. The lowest magnification is 36 times. Now, with the star magnification, it goes up to 14.7. Again, like the 8-inch, the focuser is a 2-inch Crayford focuser, including a 2-inch extension tube and a 2-inch to 1.25-inch adapter. Now, with the 10-inch, the telescope and stand, the combined weight weighs in at 24.8, so it's a little bit heavier than the 8-inch. The StarSense Dobsonian telescope has an XLT coating to give you maximum light coming into your telescope. Now, you have to remember, the more light that comes in, the better the quality of your image will be. The StarSense Explorer App. This is the brains of the telescope. The app uses plate solving. It's a method that computerized and serious observatories use to locate objects in the sky. Plate solving means that the app sees the patterns of the stars in the sky and matches that pattern with the database that is located within the app to give you precise location. The app will analyze the chosen object and will let you know when it's time to move the telescope as it moves across the night sky. The app also gives you detailed information on the objects of interest as well. You also have the ability to give you an audio presentation while you observe the object. It's actually quite handy to have. While you're looking, you can actually hear the app telling you all about what you're looking at.
M42 is the Great Nebula in Orion, one of the most spectacular sights in the sky.
The features are the 2-inch Crayford focuser that accepts 2-inch and 1.25 eyepieces. This is a high quality component, so it provides you with a smooth and precise focus. The base has side supports, something that other Dobsonians don't offer. Well, this gives you extra stability and you're typically found on much larger Dobs. The altitude tensioning system are decent sized knobs, so they allow for smooth up and down movement. The included eyepiece rack is a feature that comes with many Dobsonians, and this one looks much nicer. It's a good way of helping you stay organized with your eyepieces. Accessories included. It comes with one eyepiece. It is a high quality 25mm Plössl and a red dot finder, of course. The StarSense Explorer dock locks in place and it's quite easy to put on. Feel free to come into our showroom. We have this telescope set up and one of our staff members will be more than happy to demonstrate this model for you. So remember to subscribe to our channel to keep updated on new product that comes our way. And from all of us at Optics Central, clear skies, look up and enjoy the wonders of the universe.
I don't know anything about the night sky.